today's not a good day. Well, it kinda is. Because we got to find out that this little one, is actually doing pretty good with her stuff. Say hi. Say hi. I love you. I love you so much. Oh, oh. I love you. What about this one? Macho girl number 1. Hi. Can you say hi? Nope. Okay. What about Macho Mom?
Hi. Hi.
Oh, now you say hi.
Hi.
Silly girl.
Tell them what movie we've been watching for the last like 500 days.
What have we been watching? Have you been watching Trolls?
No.
Yeah, we have. Silly girl.
Babe,
What?
I'm gonna go check the mail.
Okay, you go check the mail. So this past week has been kind of crappy. I think I worked Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday. Not a really good thing on boosting up the hours and stuff, but I had to call in one day because I had massive diarrhea. Ow. And that's why I had to wear a mask today at the doctor's clinic. It was because we went to take Macho Girl number 2. We had to take her to the doctor's clinic, so what's the matter? What's the matter? Don't worry. It's okay. Mommy just went to go check the mail, that's all. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, my poor girl. Hey, I love you. I love you. Even if you're being a giant butthole. But yeah. Went to go take her to the doctor's clinic for her 18-month checkup. Except her 18-month mark would have been last month. Just we've been having issues with the WellCare and Medicaid and all that jazz. With me just starting, pretty much starting my new job earlier this month. I've just been doing pretty good. I think it's perfect weather for gardening. Sorry I'm not as energetic today, because just haven't been feeling good for the past couple days. Coughing crazy, sneezing like crazy, just being stuffed, being runny, being just 8 pounds of crap. But it's been doing good. Been doing pretty good. 2 men in a truck, still treating me like a king. Oh yeah, I'm starting to get used to it. Not being as sore as much, which is weird though. I was sore, but I wasn't sore. You know, yesterday I woke up and my macho big sister and her macho boyfriend and her macho daughter, the macho niece, they were coming over to visit for the weekend.
Get you a flower.
You better be careful. Sometimes there's spiders in there.
I shook it out.
I shook it out. Shook it out. Shook it out. Anyway. Woo! What's this? Cute little one. Maybe it is time for us to apply for a credit card.
That will make our problems worse.
It would. It hurts. But no, yesterday I woke up and my macho pig sister, macho sister number one, was making us some breakfast. And I was fine. I was dandy. I was cool as a cucumber. And then I've been sitting on the chair over there waiting for my breakfast. The one with the bumble seat. That's mine. I was sitting there, drinking my coffee, drinking some pop, and waiting for breakfast. And, I go to stand up after breakfast, and the back of my thighs just were sore, super, super sore. It just hurt so much. And then, I don't remember what we put on. I think we put on Moana. We put on Moana, and then all of a sudden my tricep started to hurt. And then a little bit into it before she found Maui, my trap right here started being sore. But today, the only thing that's sore is my left knee just a little bit.
Rose is playing in a playroom in the dark.
That's bad for your eyes. But no, I've been pretty good, except for the whole coughing part. You can ask Macho Mom. Macho Mom!
What?
How's bad my coughing been?
Been so crazy that I slept on the couch last night.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So bad. I mean, hell, this morning, well, just a little bit ago when we got up from nap, it started tasting like there's blood. Well, it kind of started tasting like blood. But I don't actually think it's starting to bleed. And that doesn't usually happen until I start coughing up some fleshy stuff, Which has happened. And it was scary. And I did not like it. Macho girl number what? 2. Macho girl number 2. Step on up. She got her dolly in one hand and chain in the other. So she's a girly girl, but she'll beat your ass. Beat your ass. So, I will address what happened to the video that was supposed to be for Father's Day. Macho Dad Day, basically. It was rejected by YouTube because it was too long. It was longer than 15 minutes. So it's basically now our official limit, which is dumb, but you can't really do all that much about it. So from now on, if we are to make a video on purpose, if we were to do a video that's over 15 minutes on accident, we will try to do as much editing as possible without taking any good stuff out. But if we can't do much editing, we will post it on Facebook. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If I keep on with this cough, I'm gonna have to not be Macho Dad anymore. I'll have to be something else. What?
Wimpy Dad.
Wimpy Dad. I'll be wearing those circle glasses, be all like, hey, can you spot me in tea? Can you spot me in light beer?
These are macho sausage balls.
Oh yeah. Look like muffins.
It didn't get it because they were full enough.
Looks like muffins. Doesn't it? It looks like muffins. Oh,
She's the princess of the bells.
yeah, they look like muffins, but they're not. They're sausage balls.
And healthy. Not cupcake.
we're gonna end it off by saying, we bought a grill! We bought a grill. We were very happy about it.
Now we can cook.
Thought it was pretty sweet. Yep, now we can go to grills and all stuff. So just come on over. We'll make a grill for you. We'll make a nice macho dinner for you. And we'll leave you going. Ooh! Yeah. I thought there was blood. Look at how gorgeous she is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
See the flag I made?
Yeah, the little flag
What's my name?
that she made with her name. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna go. Is there anything else you gotta say, Macho Mom? We got about 4 minutes.
Nope. Time to do schoolwork.
Time to do schoolwork for her. Time to cook supper for me. Time for these little two ones to watch some Coraline. Oh yeah! You wanna say bye-bye, Macho Girl number 1? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Macho Mom.
Or
So yeah, anything that's more than 15 minutes, we'll try to edit as much as possible without taking out all the good stuff. And if we can't, then we'll do something, put it on Facebook, which I know a lot of you would appreciate that, because that's basically where we started. Who knows? We'll have to just start doing it on Facebook. Go down with YouTube.
get a better video camera.
That is true. Get a better video camera, start doing that way. I mean, hell, even Rachel Earl's fan, they don't have a camcorder. They do that shit on their usual camera.
That's what Jess Fam does too.
This piano plays me, boss.
You should probably let it go so you don't build up time.
Bye!